People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I've been getting bombarded with emails and all kind of messages. People telling me that somebody has been leaking some information, basically exposing the corruption and all kind of foolishness going on inside the JDF. People, I got very, very excited, right? Because whatever the branch is, whatever the agency is, any sort of corruption, misuse of public funds, anything like that, has to be called out. So if an insider, I leak some documents and I drop some facts and I drop some numbers, people, we have to look into it. And I have to admit, I'm very disappointed. Not disappointed in the findings, right? But disappointed that the person who wrote this thinks everybody in Jamaica is a dummy, right? We might have our share of LIQs, but and everybody a fool. Now, before I start to read what the person say about mainly Rocky Mead, because it seems like, I don't know if Rocky Mead take something from the Mawa, right, and the JDF, I'm going to actually read Rocky Mead's file, right, because the person make it sound like Rocky Mead is not deserving of being where him there. Now, people, I don't know, people have personal differences with people, but I have never heard anybody talk down on Rocky Mead's leadership credentials and say Rocky Mead shouldn't there, where him there, and let's have a brief look into who Lieutenant General Rocky Mead is before me even going to the video. He has an entire Wikipedia page, right? Quite a few bit of information, right? Now, Rocky Mead joined the JDF in 1984, so he has tenure on his side, he has longevity, right? Mead has served as chair of CARICOM military chiefs, the government committees of University of Technology, and the Heart Trust NTA, right? You can go on Rocky Mead Wikipedia page and read all this yourself, people. But basically, it's a few other points. Rocky Mead graduated from Wilmers. He was deputy head boy. He was a WO2 in the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force. Mead gained his private pilot license as a cadet. He attended the Royal Military Academy in Sandhurst, very prestigious. That's the British officers' training place. Right, he got England to train for that, which is where he was a judge, the top international student awarded overseas cane. Let me say it again. Rocky Mead went to Sandhurst, arguably the most prestigious military academy in the world, and he was judged the top international student and awarded the overseas cane. But people who know about British Army and know about overseas cane, you would know how prestigious that is. So in this thing, when the person makes it sound like Rocky Mead get to him get because of JLP links, a JLP run off Sandhurst too? Anyway, let me continue. Mead holds bachelor degree and master's degree from the University of the West Indies, a master's of military arts and science from the U.S. Army Command and General Staff College. He also has a PhD from the University of Amsterdam and is an alumnus of the George C. Marshall European Center for Security Studies in Germany. In April 2009, Mead, alongside General Barry Del Val Sosa from Argentina and General Bipin Rawat from India, was indicted into the Command and General Staff College International Hall of Fame. He is also a commander of the Order of Distinction and the Justice of the Peace and a recipient of the Queen Elizabeth II Diamond Jubilee Medal and the Medal of Honor. The reason why I read out Rocky Mead's credentials first is because when you go read it and see how the person tried to word it, like say the reason why Rocky Mead have him up is because of JLP links and him only get. As you can see, Rocky Mead is internationally rated, right? As I said, in person, he might be the biggest fussy in the world, the meanest, somebody I don't know. I'm talking about the man's credentials. When it comes down to military credentials and being worthy of leading the JDF, Rocky Mead's credential is there's no argument right this. I've never heard nobody say Rocky Mead shouldn't be in charge of the JDF, right? As I said, his file is public. I can check it out for yourself. Now, with that said, let's move into what this person said about JDF and Rocky Mead. I'm going to take my subscribers, my regular listeners, on a journey. I'm going to break down this so-called expose, and I'm going to show you why, in my opinion, in my strong opinion, this person is a bitter individual who probably don't even know what going on inside the JDF and have nothing to do with the JDF. People, you need to sit down, grab a cup of tea, and listen closely. I'm going to point out a lot of things that show me that this person don't know what they're actually talking about, and this is some kind of personal / political vendetta. Right? Sorry, vendetta. Right? Now let's kick it off. The person says, Meti, where do I start? So Meti. Oh, okay, so people, Meti, that's I think that's over Jamaican groupie. So that's probably where this thing originated from, right? So, cause that's what they call the lady. Well, I'm assuming it's a lady over Jamaican groupie, Meti. So that's probably where it come from. So if you want to read it, go check it out over there, right? JamaicanMetigroupie.com. Right now the person said, Meti, where do I start? My head has scratched me. Let me start first with the so-called Lieutenant General Rocky Meade, and why his very promotion to that rank is scandalous. Meti, ranks like Brigadier, Major General, and Lieutenant General are very senior ranks. Usually these ranks run armies, and these ranks are mainly determined by the size of the army you are in command of. Stop right there. That is false. That is ridiculous. Whoever wrote this, you are a fraud. You don't know what you're talking about. People, please look at your screen right now. Haiti as a small army, just across the water from us. Haiti as a small army, right? They are trying to get to 5,000. Trying, right? As you can see from your screen, they're planning for 5,000 people. Do you know who's the commander of the Haitian army? Do you have an idea what it is, people? I'll tell you who it is and what that person's rank is. It is Lieutenant General Jodel Lesage, right? Or Lesage, I don't know how you pronounce it. Probably Lesage because it's French, I don't know. But clearly you can see it's a Lieutenant General. Let me find another country with another small army and show you that this person don't know what the hell they are talking about. The beautiful country of Gambia, their armed forces, known as the Armed Forces of the Gambia, is led by their Chief of Defense Staff, which is the exact equivalent to the role that Rocky Meade has, right? Is a man by the name of, and as you can see on the screen right now, I circled it, Lieutenant General Masane Kinte. I hope I'm pronouncing that brother's name properly, right? Chief of Defense Staff, Lieutenant General Masane Kinte. Now let's look at the size of the Gambian Armed Forces. There you have it, circled again, and you can go on and do your own research after this video, people. Right, don't take my word for it. 1,900 soldiers, right? That is the size of the Gambian military. You can go check it on Wikipedia separately from this as well. 1,900, and it is led, their Chief of Defense Staff is a Lieutenant General, right? So that entire, right there, so this person immediately lose all kind of credibility as somebody who actually inside the military and know the matter about and is any kind of serious insider. Cause they write it like say them are some kind of serious insider or leak some kind of confidential information. That this person clearly don't know what I'm talking about. But let's continue. The person goes on to state, right, that Rocky Meade is a big JLP supporter. So mainly why he was promoted was because of all the lies he told related to the Tivoli incursion to protect JLP and Bruce Golding. The rank above Lieutenant Colonel and the final military rank is General. To put that in context, the UK's army is run by a general and is 79,300 regular members and 27,200 reserve members. How can tiny Jamaica be run by a rank next to general when our army is not even half the size of the UK army? Again, I just showed you why this person don't know what they're talking about. Right, that comparison and one is 79,000, one is 7,000. So how can you be a rank next to general? This person is not military. Let me put that out there. This person is not military. I'm going to show you that this person is somebody who is bitter and has a vendetta. And I don't know what I'm have with Rocky Meade, right? But we'll go down further tonight. It says, despite Meade's best effort to artificially inflate numbers, is a paltry 7,000 members. What does it mean Meade's best efforts to artificially inflate numbers? Okay, alright. I'm just trying to make people realize that this person has a problem with Rocky Meade. Right? This is nobody's trying to export JDF. He's trying to tarnish Rocky Meade. Now let me go on. The person says, it is clear that in no way, shape or form should the head of Jamaica's army even have the rank of Major General, much less Lieutenant General. Right? Let me stop it right there. People, please look at your screen again right now. what you're looking at is the past chief of staff of the Jamaica Defence Force, right? From about 1962 come right up. People, he's saying, right, basically that, because this is the Rocky meeting, right? He's saying no major general, Jamaica shouldn't have no major general or no lieutenant general, right? Considering how small the army is. Like I said, it's a new thing for somebody with such a big rank run the JDF. People, look at your screen. In 1973 to 1979, the chief of staff was Major General Rudolph Edward George Green. Then it was another major general, then it was a rear admiral, then it was another major general, a rear admiral, a major general, a major general, and before Rocky Meade, it was a major general. So this person is already sure to the men what I'm talking about. And if they had done basic research, just basic research, they would have seen that major general is the most common rank to be the chief of defense staff. The most common rank. So when this person try to make it sound like so this is something new, that because as he said, the head of Jamaica's army, it is clear that in no way, shape or form should the head of Jamaica's army even have the rank of Major General. So what has been happening for the last 40, 50 years? This is basic public information, right? Now he says, in fact, it should have never moved from brigadier based on established military standards, right? But they want the spoils from these big posts. Stop. Again, I showed you right back down to the 60s, we've been having major generals, right? Now, the person then goes on to state, do you remember the likes of BOJ Governor Lati Bodier who left office? I don't know what that has to do with Rocky Meade and JDF. This is where you can see the person. It's very personal. I'm going to actually put this on your screen so you can read this for yourself and see what I'm talking about when I'm telling you this is a personal vendetta against Rocky Meade. People, this part is so funny, so mama manish, so player haterish, that I had to screenshot it and put it on your screen so you can read it for yourself. People, listen to this. Meade cock up his foot living in a mansion in Beverly Hills and buying up this and that all over, trying to leave a legacy for the 33-year-old girl who just gave him his first child in his big old age nearing up to 60. Do you people see what I mean? Who you know is trying to expose JDF and JDF corruption and make the taxpayers know what go on. And this is the way this is the angle they might come from. You notice this has been entirely about Rocky Meade. Now at least the whole general and lieutenant general part, you could say, well, alright, this is a troll who don't really understand the JDF, but they might try to keep it military. When you're going in the part about Rocky Meade cock up his foot living in a mansion in Beverly Hills and buying up this and that all over, trying to leave legacy for the 33-year-old girl who just gave him his first child in his big old age, nearing up to 60. People, do I have to spell out what that is? Do I have to spell out what you just read? That right there is coming from a position of envy, bitterness, and resentment. What do you mean? Buying up this and buying up that, Rocky Meade cock up his foot, living in a mansion. People, this is personal. This person not trying to expose nothing. Not only is this person not a member of the JDF. I'm telling you that right now because I'm going to prove it further down the road. People don't want to go nowhere now, they want to stick around because I have something I go. I'm going to drop the bombshell yet. I'm going to drop it yet. But more on the see them line there. This is coming from a position of bitterness. That right there is a mama man line. Man cock up him foot in a mansion, a Beverly Hills, and I left legacy for 33-year-old girl in big old age, near up to 60. You're hurt. Whoever you are, you're hurt. Okay? Better I just tell you Rocky Meade you. That would make more sense if I just tell you Rocky Meade you. People, I'm so disappointed because I thought we were going to look into real corruption. I thought the man going to drop some files, drop some information, so we can say, yes, we could start go town. Our style, Politics Watch style. Me and my subscribers them can start roast the breadfruit. Right? But this a mama man thing. Complete mama man thing. People need to go read the whole thing. Right? But let me continue. I don't want to get stuck up on a point there too long. Right? But watch this, people. He then goes on to state, right, that Rocky Meade's salary is roughly $5 million per month. And he says that Rocky Meade is earning more than the generals of the USA and the UK Army. But the same person admits, right, or the person claims that the JDF members, like the civil servants in general, police, fire brigade, teachers, etc., right, he says, notice too that JDF is the only commission that is not under the Office of the Services Commission. Also, you realize that you can easily find the salary scales for all other categories of civil servants, but theirs is hidden. So, if JDF's salary is hidden, how does this person know exactly how much Rocky Mead is paid, right? And if somebody who already debunked them from the whole lieutenant general and major general thing don't even know that, but know Rocky Mead's salary, even though according to the same person, Rocky Mead's salary is hidden, right? Now, look at these people. The person says in the last sentence on your screen, right? Ask yourself, how can a JDF private that can't even read and write good is earning more than a teacher? Hold on. That is very important. That is a shot in a people. This person just took a shot at the JDF privates. However, in the same piece, they make it sound like they are a part of the JDF and they have a degree and they now earn X amount of money, right? Now, according to you, if you just say you have a degree and you want to make X amount, how are you now saying a JDF private, which is what you would be based on what you described, right, can't even read and write? What do you mean JDF privates can't read and write? People, when I tell you this person is somebody who is bitter and has a vendetta against the Rocky Mead and the JDF, they're pretending to be a part of it, but them keep giving away themselves with these little one-liners every now and then. Now ask yourself, how can a JDF private that can't even read and write good is earning more than a teacher? That is very important for them in the same post when them claim say them in a JDF and them have degree and get a use and blah blah blah. Just watch me, people. Cause I tell you, we're gonna expose them, you know. Right? Them things I used to could have pulled off one time, but not anymore. Not since channel like this exists. Now, this is when it starts to get downright ridiculous, right? The person says, I want to know why is it qualified people with degrees are earning 50,000 a month and basically no benefits as JNSC members. And people, JNSC is the Jamaica National Service Corps, is the new way of going into the JDF basically, right? You work for a year and then you can even left and go police or go ward or things like that. Anyway, he says, while people with only 2 CXCs, with 5 and 4 are commissioned officers calling themselves captains, major, and lieutenant. People, look at what is circled on your screen right now. What is the joke right there, so? Anybody who not even have military experience, don't know about JDF, but just can spell, who do you think out there believes that somebody who's actually an insider in the JDF spell lieutenant like that? This is somebody who sit down on a corner, hear something, and I carry it back like them an insider. Nobody in the military. People, talk to me now, man. See, what happened is, this LIQ, hear somebody say lieutenant, and then spell lieutenant exactly how it sounds. What the LIQ don't know is that lieutenant spelled the exact same as lieutenant. It's just that in America, them say lieutenant, but the British saying is lieutenant. So, because they don't actually know how to spell it, and they are not JDF and don't know nothing about the JDF, because we put that earlier with the whole, oh, this size army can't have major general. I told you this person is personal and political. You think we're a fool over here, sir? Come on, bring real exposing. We love it. We love real exposing. People, look on your screen. This youth, because it's clearly a man, right? A player hater, a mama man at that, right? I go say, people with 2 CXC are commissioned officers. I want every JDF soldier link up. Instagram, send me the names of the commissioned officers in the JDF who have 2 CXC and them CXC there are 5. That is false. You cannot be a commissioned officer with 2 CXC and the CXC them are 5. 5, 2 CXC, commissioned officer, this person cannot even spell the word lieutenant. And we're supposed to take them serious? Come on, earning between 550,000 after tax and 950,000 after tax. Again, you just said the salary in the public, but you know all the numbers them do. Right? The person goes on to state why enlisted ranks and JNSC members have to go through hellish training and people coming in with links getting commissioned. Again, people, hellish training? Sir, go and join the Girls Guide. Go and join the Cub Scouts. As a matter of fact, I take that back. That is an offense to Girl Guides and Cub Scouts. I take that back. All Cub Scout, all Girls Guide, my apology. I apologize for comparing this individual to me. Hellish training. You are going into the military. What are you expecting? Cotton wool? What you expect? One sealy postopedic bed? See, he keeps giving away himself. What do you mean enlisted ranks? When the same person just take a shot at JDF private saying they can't read and write, so they might get more than teachers. Now he might try word it back around like say him in the JNSC under the struggles. I go through hellish training. Hellish? I'm sorry, what you thought you were joining up to be a typewriter, punch a typewriter all day, or what are you talking about? You're going into the military. I mean hellish training. People in this is one of them could DNT modern day youth who is bitter. He probably didn't make the cut. Right? Rocky Mead probably run him around or something like that. This man is bitter. He has a vendetta against Rocky Mead. Right? He has a vendetta against the JDF. He tries to pretend like he's inside of it, but his bitterness keep exposing him. In bitterness make him come out to the part where Rocky Mead cock up in foot. In bitterness make him choke the line about JDF soldiers can't read and write. JDF privates can't read and write. Right? And no matter about hellish training, let me continue. Because we don't expose them, but at this point it's just a joke. People will make sure a circle lieutenant. Right? Because that's the biggest joke of them all. We'll make it continue. So this imposter goes on to state that people talk about disbanding the JCF. Truly it is the JDF that should be disbanded. People know that JDF needs to be disbanded. Are you convinced now that this person is bitter, right, and has a vendetta against the JDF and the people who run it, right? Having worked there now for a couple of years, I have seen things that you would not believe. I just want the JDF tell me, oh, if you have my degree and I get paid $50,000 a month, you are lying. You do not have a degree and you are not a member of the JNFC earning $50,000 a month. Get a youth must rise though. Man, get the hell out of here with your victim mindset. You do not have a degree. Stop lying. You are not a member of the JDF or the JNSC. You are a fraud. You are bitter. You are a mama man and you have a vendetta against the force. People, which youth you know with degree will try to present themselves to be so bright. Go in there, go spell lieutenant like that. Right? Who you know with a degree, I go tell you say him have degree, but him join as a low rank of the member in a JNSC, and him make $50,000 a month, and get a youth must rise though, and Major General can't be Jamaican if you have no Major General or no Lieutenant General, when I've just showed you that right back down to the 60s we've been having them, and him never have no problem with it. This is personal and political. This person is a joke. This can fool some people. It can fool some people. Whenever Jamaica's population is the right kind of population to write some foolishness like this and people buy it. But people are absent, especially people inside JDF, read this and laugh. Now let me get something clear before me end. JDF, like most other bodies in Jamaica, probably does have a lot of corruption inside it, at the very top end. And if somebody was to come out and actually deliver facts and figures and drop some evidence and show us, say, yo, you know, say, them take this X amount and they must sell back this, and they must take this and thief it for sell that, and Rocky Mead was a part of this. She said this buy for this amount and them sell it back for this under the black market. I would be clapping my hands. I'd be clapping my hands and I'd be throwing out the numbers and I'd be calling out who forget call out. As I said, I got excited when somebody messaged me and said, Sir P, somebody leak info about JDF and Rocky Mead, and I said, what? What now I say? Because it's not often a year come from inside JDF. But this person right here is a liar and a fraud. This person doesn't even know how the rank structure of the military works. This person, right, cannot even spell lieutenant, a word he would have been seeing from day one in the military. This person claims that JDF soldiers can't read and write, JDF privates can't read and write, but the same person who would be a JDF private just tell us that him have degree, but JDF soldiers can't read and write. People, stop making people pull wool over on the eyes and trick them. It's 2020, right? The fact that people never even pick up and study this, not even know what a lieutenant is, or how to spell it, and then throw JDF privates under the bus saying they can't read and write, then try now to say him a one and him have degree. tell us a Major General and Lieutenant General they run army the side of Jamaica when I showed you that people with even smaller armies have Lieutenant Generals. People, this is a fake, this is a phony, right? This is a mama man with some kind of personal vendetta against Rocky Mead. I don't know or care about Rocky Mead. He could be the biggest thief in Jamaica for all I know. But this right here is nothing exposing him, right? This somebody has a personal vendetta against Rocky Mead. He's bitter, right? He's a mama man. Sit down and watch the man and him 33-year-old woman and cock up him foot in the mansion. Yeah, no, sorry, as Jay-Z said, we don't believe you. You need more people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.